Welcome to Liseberg, the heart of Gothenburg city in Sweden. Family love is family's favorite activity park. Now we are standing outside Liseberg Park and we see that there are many people here today. Nice weather and the sun is shining. There are few turn counters and also automatic machines to get tickets. We have bought tickets online before and we will find a free counter now. We have now entered Liseberg Park and here is a 360 view of the entrance. The flag of Sweden is flying in the air. Here is a map of the entire park, which you can get at entrance. We will start from here and continue up and then back. You can also find a map of the entire park right after the entrance. And right now we are here at entrance. Here is an overview of all the rides in Liseberg Park. Liseberg runs the amusement park with its 42 rides and attractions, games, music, dance floor, and many restaurants and cafes, all set in green parkland. We are going to enjoy it and we are very excited. We start from Kaninlandet. The Liseberg rabbits have their very own land at Liseberg Park, a land they built themselves, so you can expect some surprises here also. It looks like Kaninlandet is the area dedicated to young visitors and the home of the green rabbits. And they can always spare a hug in between the rides and attractions. Our first ride, Hop Along. Take a ride on the spinning and bouncing Hop Along. Guaranteed to give you butterflies in your tummy, whether you are big or small. Kanilandsbanen, high above the ground. Wow. Please, it's not every day you get the chance to fly your own barrel. But of course, in Rabbitland, nothing is impossible. I can see also rabbits around here grabbing every chance to have fun because the more fun we have, the more fun it is. And we all are enjoying it. Fun is always better when it's shared. Now we are going to take Underlandet, a secret place maybe far underground. We are going to take a lift and secret lift maybe, which only goes down. At the bottom the doors will open on a magical world. We are going to experience first time this type of ride, train tour. I hope you will also enjoy it while watching on YouTube. We will talk later. Have fun with this ride. It's time to take Murut's Reason. Take a boat trip among beautiful greenery and tasty vegetables. Discover what is hidden among flowers, leaves, and everything that the rabbits think is extra yummy. Now it's our turn. We are sitting together in one boat, or we are enjoying it. Very beautiful round trip. Hooks Honningen. High level excitement and fantastic views over Rabbit Land. High up among the funnels and peeping you can see the whole of Kaninlandet. Let go if you dare and wave to the rabbits way below you. A complete 360 view, approximately the whole park. I can see many rides from here. This ride goes up and down, round and round. From here on the left side is a coffee Koppen. Tea has never been so excited. And on the right side is a boat which name is Lila Lutz. Do you think that this boat will give us butterflies in our tummy? A gently rocking boat journey for adventurous grandparents and grandkids to take together. Cafe Koppen. During the ride, the giant teapot and the entire floor spin around. Now we need energy and power because we are going to take cyclonen. The more you pedal, the higher you fly. Pedal as hard you can and feel yourself rising from the ground. The ride takes you up and down as well as round and round. Very huge play area for children. Bischofsplatsen, a playground in the heart of Rabbit's Land where kids can get up to lots of enjoyment. This is a playground for anyone with a sense of mischief, especially the Liseberg rabbits. You can climb right on the slides and run wild here. Rabalder, the ideal roller coaster for younger. An adventure in speed is waiting for you with plenty of butterflies in your tummy. We are now moving forward. I can also add here information about this park. There is something for everyone to enjoy in amusement park. For the little ones, there is a rabbit land and children's paradise filled with gentle carousels and playgrounds. But Liseberg also offers more challenging rides and attractions. Liseberg Park has opened for 3 seasons each year. Summer season, which runs from April to September, Halloween season, and Christmas at Liseberg. Fisketuren, hop away on a fast-paced fishing adventure in your very own fishing boat. Meet yourself again and again in Kristallsalongen. You can't help laughing when you see yourself in the mirrors. There is also a tricky maze of mirrors to navigate your way around. So grab this chance to have a good laugh at yourself and your friends. And at last, find a way to get outside from here. Seriously, guys, I love this ride. Jukebox. Rock around the clock in these stylish cars. Jukebox has rock style cars with modern technology, spin around to the sounds of 50s swing and 60s rock. I have no chance to take this ride. Valkyria. Europe's longest dive coaster. A roller coaster with a vertical drop of 50 meters. You are chosen for the ultimate challenge. Some all your courage and strength because in order to rise you must first fall straight down. It's time to check our luck. So we will see what we are going to win today here. We are moving forward. We have lots of fun and we have enjoyed already till now. Oh wow, what is this? It looks like a Viking ride in Scandinavia. An awesome ride that puts you in a real spin. Mechanica is an extreme ride that spins you 360 degrees around 3 axes, 3 meters up in the air. Another favorite ride. Like you swing, you must take this ride, I must say. Flume ride. Everyone want to take this ride. You will sit in the boat and it will come as big splash into the water. You surf through waterfalls and around sharp turns before free falling down the 14-meter falls. At least it feel like that. Skepos Coach. He was high. Skepos Coach is an exciting adventure on the high seas that lets you pilot your own boat and learn some boat handling skills. Every child will get life jacket and this ride is for everyone. We can also enjoy a splash while we driving a boat. Liseberg is a very huge park. Time is going very fast, and I think so. And I don't know we will get time to go around the whole park and cover all the rides and take all the rides. We will see. You know that Liseberg offers something for everyone all year around. Summer, Halloween, and Christmas. But simply, the most fun in Scandinavia is found in Gothenburg. Now we are going to Luna Park. We will go up and we'll take all big rides. But first, children's favorite ride, Blomster Karusellen, for everyone. And we saw before a fan some go around and around and up and up. We will see what is that. A paradise for children. It's easy to have fun at Barna's Paradise playground. Very huge. Another playground. A fantastic ride. Aero spin. Test your wings and spin your own flying machine as much as you dare on this sensational ride, Aero spin. Check this ride, guys. Luna. Fly to the moon. Your first visit. Wow. I want to watch it again. First, you are pulled backwards with the inhuman power as the mighty engines prepare for the takeoff. Another look and view from an other side. Turbo. Turbo is an interactive ride that puts you in the seat of a motorcycle sidecar and lets you decide for yourself when and how far you ride around and up or down. Tempus. Tempus is a ride for the whole family that reshapes time and space, taking you up and down and round and round, of course. When we are up, so we can see many rides and a view of the whole park. Here is another dangerous ride for me. Guys, I took this ride one time in my life, or that was last time. Very dangerous ride for me. And if you think you are very tough and can swing high in the playground at home, so take a tour at Liseberg and take this one. You are going to swing higher and higher from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour. There are 3 roller coasters for youngsters in this park. I think one is Boulder, a wooden roller coaster. Second one is Helix, and third one is Liseberg Monument. This roller coaster is specially designed for Liseberg. Liseberg Jule. It's mean that's London Eye of Liseberg in Gothenburg. Fantastic views over the city and amusement park. And this is the globe of. There's a museum which name is Universum. A tour on the Liseberg wheel gives you breathtaking views over the city and the amusement park. Guys, you can see from here atmosphere free fall from a height of 146 meters at a speed of 110 kilometers per hour. Are you brave enough to take this? Just check it out. Wow, 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 wow. Now, guys, we did not get time to cover all the rides today, so just enjoy this ride and the view from Liseberg Wheels, view of the amusement park and city as well. If you are new in this channel and watching my video first time, so please remember to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, so please share to others, family members and friends. And I have also published video about the Tusenfryd, the amusement park, which is in Norway, Norway's best and the largest amusement park. You can watch it from my channel and others interested YouTube videos. Thank you.
Yeah!